We've been talking about this for a very long time, and today is finally the day.
We have just opened the pre-orders for our Breathe and Flow limited edition yoga mats.
We've been working on these mats for such a long time, and we are very particular when it comes to a yoga mat, and this is, in our opinion, the absolute best mat you can find on the market. And they're looking really freaking amazing too.
So we're really excited to bring it into your home and have this mat be your sacred space to explore movement and breath and meditation.
The pre-orders are running from right now until Monday evening.
Thank you so much for your support on this project. Lots of love and lots of gratitude.